Richard Kenny, the head web guy here at Your Web Guys, and today is a Webmaster Minute. Today's question comes from Anonymous, asking, why should I hire a web design agency or a marketing firm or just do it myself? The answer to those three questions is, it's up to you. You're the one that can decide those things. An agency will provide a lot of services and a lot of hands-off where you don't have to spend a lot of time doing the things that need to be done, but they're also extremely expensive. Doing it yourself is another option, but those solutions are usually free and you get what you pay for. So be careful with those. It's kind of like, we always say that, around here we're kind of like a lawn mowing agency. Sure, you can mow your lawn yourself, but good God, why would you want to? Let a professional do it, and then you don't have to sweat as much. And that's where we come in. That's what a web design agency does. That's not a marketing firm. It's not an SEO company. It's not a social media firm. It's a web design firm. We host and maintain the website. We make sure that it's working properly. And we make sure that you don't spend a ton of time doing anything other than the one thing that nobody else can do as well as you, and that is talk about your business. So that's the answer. I'm Richard Kenny with Your Web Guys. We'll build your website so you can build your business. And this has been a Webmaster Minute.